Hey everybody, welcome back to Shanice Shopping Saga. So we are in Dollar General, and I have to actually go back and grab a cart because I see a lot of cute decoration. I'm gonna be like whispering because it's so quiet in here, but let's start over here. They have the pick your own pumpkin, and that's $5. They have grateful, thankful. How much are these? These are so cute. These are $6. Hello Fall. And this one says gather with grateful hearts. They like all just came off of the thing. Hold on, give me a second. This is welcome, $5 with the door. Oh, that one is cute, autumn. Welcome. These are $8. I don't want all of these signs over here to fall down. Look at this one. Grateful. There's usually always two. Autumn leaves and pumpkin, please. I love fall most of all. Happy harvest. These are $8. Autumn leaves and pumpkin, please. Harvest, love here. Gather and be grateful. Hello fall. Count your blessings. These are $1. The pumpkin fillers. Autumn leaves and pumpkin, please. Oh, this is cute. For only $1. This one, fall is in the air. These are $1. Give thanks. Harvest. Hello fall. And welcome. These are $12 for those baskets. These are $3. Farm fresh pumpkins, daily, and pumpkin batch, locally grown. These are $1. There's apple harvest, campfire and s'mores, sweater season. These are $3. There's pumpkin pie. And what is this one? Pumpkin picking and spiced white pumpkin. There's some of the ribbon. The tablecloths are $8. These signs are $1. These are actually cheaper than Dollar Tree. Apple pie and pumpkin pie. The clings are $1. Oh, these are so cute. These are $3. They have some of the pampas. Oh, I need this one. I need these. These are $3 a piece. Along with the gnomes. Happy Thanksgiving. These are $8. Happy Thanksgiving. This one has this one. There's that sign. The pumpkins are $1. $3. Cute orange. $3 for these. These are $3. It's the mushroom, the pumpkin, and the pumpkin with the crackle. These are $1. Happy fall, y'all. There's a gnome. The plaid pumpkin. mushrooms. These are $1. Some mushrooms. It says love home. Love home. And this one says fall. These are $1. Green, orange. These are $5. These are $3. They're not quite done with the Halloween yet. I'm jumping the gun because I'm looking at the Halloween as I'm down here. These are $5. These are $1. Pumpkins. $1. Welcome fall. Give thanks. And harvest blessings. Those are cute, the little turkeys. Welcome. Blessed. There's harvest. These are $3. And grateful. These are so cute. $5. These are $8. There's gather and welcome. The pumpkins. These are $3. The turkeys. Oh, the monogram letters. These are so cute. There's green, burgundy, and the mustard color. The mushrooms. Same colors. These are $8. Is it only one that says hello fall? Wait, I think I see an orange one back there. Yep, hello pumpkin. All right, and they have these right here. Hello fall. And right around behind me, this is $12. Welcome to our pumpkin patch. Hello fall. These are $1. Autumn leaves and pumpkin, please. Pumpkin kisses and harvest wishes. Welcome to our pumpkin patch. 3. It's a gnome. Trying to let you guys see it. Pumpkin kisses and harvest wishes. Hello fall. And pumpkin spice and everything nice. Have these pumpkins. Some clings for $1. Hello autumn. Here's the squirrels. These are $1. Let's see, grateful. And what does this one say? It's kind of tight in here, as you guys can see. Welcome. Some fall scents: pumpkin pie, maple sugar, apple harvest, sweater season. More of the pumpkins. These are $3. The tapestry runner for $6. Some of the door hangers for $3. Somebody put some Halloween over here. Some of the placemats. That's so pretty. The jars. The the birds. Happy Thanksgiving. Hello, pumpkin. Gather together, harvest blessings. This sign is so cute for $4. Happy fall. And fall, these are $3. The scented brooms, pumpkin spice, $6. There's some of the mugs here. Meet me at the pumpkin patch, grateful. Give thanks. Another hello pumpkin. Grateful. Hello fall. Hello pumpkin. These are $1. The wax warmers, grateful. Hello pumpkin. This is going so perfect with my Amazon theme. I found some Hello Pumpkin Amazon stuff, so probably do a little haul for you guys, and maybe I can show y'all what I already have in my kitchen. Trying to get this out of here. Let's see. Let your lives be full of both thanks and giving. $3. And thankful. And these jars are really pretty. $8. Storage jars. Some mats. Meet me at the pumpkin patch. Grateful. Oh, this is so cute. Just the season. These pumpkins, and then look at this one with the cords. Alright, we got some more pumpkins. The casserole dishes. Hello pumpkin, hello pumpkin, hello fall, hello fall, grateful to plates. Hello pumpkin. Maple sugar on the jar. It's all gravy. Fall is in the air. Autumn is my favorite color. These are $3. These are $3. Cute. And a monogram letters. Oh, look. That's cute right here too. The pillow for $10. Hello fall. That one. Pumpkin spice. Life. I've never tried pumpkin spice, but this is cute. $8. Okay, let's see how much Halloween can we see for now, because they are not done. I'll just show you guys an overview of the Halloween since they're still not done. They're kind of putting it up. They have a lot of stuff to put up. So it's to be continued. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video and browsing around with me in Dollar General really quickly. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. So they have their cart right here. That's a cute sign. All right, you guys, so I have made it home, and I just want to show you what I picked up from that Dollar General. I got so excited when I saw all of this Hello Pumpkin stuff because that is the theme I'm going for in my kitchen. So I got this. Y'all already know the prices because we just did the walkthrough. I got this. I did get the casserole dish. The Hello Fall mug. the pumpkin, just to break up some of the orange, the welcome, the riser, these orange pumpkins, and what is it? What's that one? The beige. I thought this was so cute. Hello pumpkin. And the pompous, which I'm going to do something else with. These were 3 apiece. I got 4. Well, I got all of the ones that they had left. So, yep. And this is why I was so excited, because I do have this rug that I have in front of my stove. And then we have this one that I have in front of my sink. And I'm going to insert a picture of the curtains because it didn't come in yet. But this is so cute. It just ties in so well together. All right, y'all, that's it. That's a wrap. Hope y'all enjoy my mini haul. Once again, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.